Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Englio Matic. Guys, in this video we will study a phrase as much as. In English, this phrase is used in different senses in different situations which provide different meanings. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. Friends, the phrase as much as is used as a meaning even though. For an example, as much as I like you, I don't agree with you on this. Next example, as much as I hate to, I must work this weekend. Friends, in both these examples, you can replace as much as by even though and vice versa. Similarly, equally is the other word which you can use as the place of as much as. For an example, I love you as much as I love your sister. Another example, I like football as much as I like basketball. As much as an equal amount. Example, most people can bench press as much as they can squat. Or some women can drink as much as men. Guys, pause video and study carefully. And if you face any difficulty or any doubt, you can clear it by commenting in comment section. I hope you like this video. So please like the video and do press and notification button so that you get notified with the coming latest videos. Thanks for watching guys.